Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about the range. So now I want to show you how to answer. Before we need to find the range, we need to analyze about this one first. For example, we have the graph like this. So if we want to find the range, we need to find the maximum and the minimum. So when we find this boy in here, we can know the range of the function. So in this situation, we can use about first derivative of the function in here. So later that we can find the critical points. First derivative of sine x, we have cosine x. This one we have number 2 cosine 2x. Later that we put first derivative of the function equals to number 0. That means this one equals to number 0. And we have the formula in here. Cosine 2x, that is about 2 cosine x squared minus number 1. So this one we have 4 cosine x squared plus cosine x minus number 2 equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. So we have like this. Now we have the formula in here. Cosine 8 equals to b. We will have about 8 equals to a cosine of b. And then we put about k to b. And k should belong to integers. And 8 equals to negative a cosine of b. So that means we will have about 4 solutions. So we have S. So that means we will have about a cosine of this one. And later that we put the negative sign in here. So the next one, after we have 4 solutions in here, we need to put this value go back to this one. And we know that when I put this one in here, we have approximate about negative 0.369. The next one we do the same. And this one approximates about 0.369. And the next one this one approximates about 1.760. And the next one negative 1.760. We can see that this one that is about minimum, this one that is about maximum. So the range of the function in here, that should be like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.